In this video, we're going to talk about the QR code, so let's get right to it. I've been playing around in here. Let's type, there's going to be text over the QR code and under. So we could call this Milo cat food, and thanks for entering. The QR code type, what we're going to do for the first one is an SMS message, and I'll go through each one. The QR code size, let's say we want it large. We can change the color of the QR code. Let's see, we want nice blue, or you know what, let's make it purple. The phone number we're going to pick is our keyword, is our phone number. That's the short code that we have. And the message is the keyword. So let's say you create an in-store coupon or a table tent or an ad in a magazine or newspaper, and it says scan this QR code, or you could have it be on stuck to the glass on a retail store on their window, and you could say text the word Milo to 71441 and get a free 10-ounce can of cat food. Well, you could also say, or scan this QR code to send the text. So let's say they don't want to whip out their text and do it. You can have the scan the QR code and watch what happens. So we put the message Milo. We generate this. All right, so now the next step would be I've scanned this with my phone, but what you can do is you can print it, you can email it, you can download it, you can share it on your wall, or you can tweet it. I scanned it, and then this is what I got when I scanned it. So this is the screen that people will get after they scan it. I use this scanning app called Enigma. So then you can click on send it to a text message, or the cool thing is they can also share it. I chose to send it as a text. This window pops up. So this is basically a shortcut for the person who doesn't want to bring up their scan, bring up their text message, type in the short code, type in the word. It's already puts, it already is all in there for them. All they have to do is click send. So basically you're just making it easier for your customer. And it's a nice feature to be able to do that. So if we go back to the website creator, so that's it. So we've now created an SMS message QR code, and we've moved on to the notification pop-up. That's this kind of QR code, and we could just say thanks for entering. Let's say it's a contest or whatever promotion you're dreaming up. Just type something in it in the footer. You could put the name of it up here. Again, we can make it any color, so let's make it a nice blue. And for the text, we could say, thanks for entering, visit the website for more details. And then we're going to generate it. And then we get this nice QR code that we can do everything the same. We can print it, email it, download it, share it on Facebook or Twitter. I scanned it, and this is what I got when I scanned it. Okay, I scanned this one with the same Enigma scanner, and this was the first screen that I saw. So what I typed in, as long as I put the whole URL there, it became a clickable link, so that's really good to know. And you can see that they can also share this. So let's say, oops. When I clicked on share, this was the next screen I got on my phone. I could share it by text message, by barcode, Facebook, or Twitter. If I chose Facebook and Twitter, this is what I got. That's what would show if I posted to Facebook and Twitter. If I wanted to share by SMS, I could send it to people I knew. It puts the message in there already. I just have to type in the phone number. And if I choose barcode, it creates a QR code that sits on the phone. And that's basically all there is to it, to the notification pop-up. As we continue, I'll touch on the website URL QR code. Now, as we saw in the last demonstration with the notification, this is what pops up, a box for you to put a URL. So as long as you put the whole URL there, it'll make it a clickable link as we saw in the last demo. So I'm not going to go show you pictures because there's really no reason to do that. So let's keep going. And we'll go with the phone number. So you want a phone number. Let's create a phone number. So I've scanned this, in which you can see I just put a phone number. So let's see what shows up on the phone when you scan a phone number QR code. Okay, this is what showed up. I could have a choice. I could dial the number. I could send it as a text message. Or I could save it to my contacts. So if you want to use it for like a virtual business card, you could have somebody save it to their contacts. But there is a virtual business card in here, so we're not going to worry about that. But so you can see it's useful to create a QR code to go to a number. So let's keep moving on with those QR codes. Okay, moving on. This is the last one. This is contact information. And basically when you click on that, it pulls up these boxes here. I put in my info. I'm going to generate a code. And I'm going to scan this. And I'll pause the video while I pull up the picture. Now that I've scanned this coupon, let's see what we got. This is what you see after you scan that coupon, scan that QR code. Basically, you see all the info that you put in there, and as you can see, it's all clickable. So all that is very cool. You can save it to contacts. So there you go. Virtual business card created with a QR code. Very cool thing to do. And that is the QR code generator module, because we've now covered all the different types of QR codes that